Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to introduce an amazing gadget that will completely transform your indoor cat's playtime. If your cat gets bored easily or doesn't get enough exercise, then this interactive hide-and-seek cat toy might be exactly what you need. This upgraded toy comes with a top-tier dual motor system, creating two exciting movements at once. On top, there's a fluttering butterfly that spins, pauses, and moves like a real flying insect. Underneath the cover, a plush tail pops in and out randomly, just like hidden prey. This creates a fun hide-and-seek experience that keeps your cat curious, active, and mentally stimulated. What makes it even better is the 3 adjustable speed modes. You can choose from steady mode for calm play, active mode for energetic cats, or random mode for unpredictable, exciting movement. It's perfect for cats with different personalities and energy levels. Now here's the smart part. It features touch-sensitive activation. Your cat can simply tap the toy to start a 5-minute play session. After that, it automatically switches to standby mode, preventing overstimulation while still encouraging regular activity. It's like your cat is in full control of the fun. The toy is powered by a large 2500 milliamp rechargeable battery, which fully charges in just 2.5 hours. That means longer playtime and less hassle for you. And to make things even more realistic, it includes authentic bird chirping sounds that grab your cat's attention and trigger their natural hunting instincts. Plus, you get an extra plush tail attachment and a USB charging cable right in the box. So, if you want to keep your cat happy, healthy, and entertained even when you're not at home, this interactive toy is a perfect choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome pet products.